Man, decided to starting fucking rain now in the fucking middle of the forest when I'm a little bit unprepared in my fucking things, and I think I just have to go through the fucking uncomfortability right now and go through the rain. It's not so big rain, but it's raining a little bit. And why should I feel uncomfortable when I love feeling comfortable, right? It's wrong, guys. It's wrong. You just have to go through. Fuck it. Well, it's not so bad as it's looking. Of course, in the camera right now, it doesn't look nothing. The sky is just looking like this. And the rain is not so bad, actually. It's pretty refreshing. Se pare că am găsit și mâncare episod de azi. Ah, fuck, I have to speak English now. Seems like I have found some food for today as well. It's looking very, very nice. Well, almost home. Not so much damage to the body. As you can see, everything is fine. Is it though? Is it, Alex? Is it fine with you? I'm not so sure, man. I'm not so sure. Take a look at yourself. Look in the mirror. Look in your soul.